What type of learner am I? That's one of the first keys that we have to understand as we're learning how to study, right? And learning how to focus without distraction. What type of learner am I? And so there are three types of specific learners. There are three specific types of learners. There is the visual learner, there is the audio learner, and there is the kinesthetic learner. And I know those are sort of big terms, but I want to break those down for you. A visual learner is somebody who needs to see a thing, right? Like you need to have the thing before your eyes to really be able to understand what is happening. So I'll say that again. There is a visual learner, right? The visual learner needs to see a thing in order to understand a thing. So I want somebody to type that in the chat for me. So the first type is a visual learner, and the visual learner needs to see a thing in order to understand it. The second type of learner is the kinesthetic learner. The kinesthetic learner. Kinesthetic sounds a lot like you've heard the word kinesiology before, right? That means that I got to touch a thing, right? So a kinesthetic learner is the sort of learner that has to be able to handle objects, to touch things in order to understand